Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Today we are at Living Tree Montessori, isn't it?
Yes.
And we are going to show the children our, our garden. We're going to talk about big plants and we're going to talk about little plants. We're going to observe some flowers. Then we're going to see that means the flowering plants, and we're also going to see plants that we can eat, plants that we can use as medicine, isn't it? So let's walk around and show the children what we have here.
Can I ask a question?
Yes,
Are we also identifying medium plants?
yes, we are going to identify small, medium, and large plants. Okay, right, Shane? Let's go. Let's start over here. Right. So right there, we can. What kind of plant is that?
It looks like a medium-sized plant that flowers.
Yes, it got white flowers, isn't it?
Yes.
Can you pluck one white flower and show?
It doesn't smell like anything.
No, I think it smells good. Yes. Smells good? Yes. That's I can't remember the name of that. I hope somebody will be able to tell me that. Then, what do we have over here? I can see a trunk that's going right up over there. Oh my goodness.
That's a big, very big cobra tree.
What kind of tree is there?
Cobra.
Cohumba tree, yes. Shane, do you know anything about a cohumba tree? Behetak, yes, very good. It's a medicine.
මගේ මූණේ බිබිලි තිබ්බා.
Mm-hmm.
ඒකට කොච්චර බේත් දැම්ම ඒක හරියේ නෑ.
Mm-hmm.
ඊට පස්සේ කොඹ කොළ අරන් මූණට දැම්මා. ඊට පස්සේ ඒක හරි ගියා.
Sha. Ek hondai. Yes, so we have to know that the cohumba plant is a very important plant and is a healing plant. People make oils out of it in Ayurveda medicine. They make oil, cohumba oil. Nilse, what else do we use cohumba oil even for as shampoo? So let me go closer to the cohumba leaf and show you. Now see the cohumba leaf. I don't know whether you remember this. It's what kind of leaf is it? What do we call? Is it a simple leaf or a compound leaf?
Opposite, I think.
Those are how the leaves are placed, but it's a compound leaf. Yes, the leaves are placed opposite each other. That's on another lesson, we'll talk about that, but it's a compound leaf. That means on one stem you have many leaves, right? So let's walk around here some more. What else can we see? Yes, that's a little plant, like a fern. It's not too big. So those are medium-sized plants. And then here we have a bougainvillea tree. Bougainvillea, does anybody know anything about a bougainvillea tree?
It's pink.
Yes, you get different colored bougainvilleas. We have a pink bougainvillea. Shane, do you know?
What's the other color?
You get orange, white, red. They're beautiful flowers. But what do we know about bougainvillea leaves? The tree, they've got prickly thorns.
Oh.
So you have to be very, very careful. I remember several times children pricking their feet over here with some thorns having fallen down. Yes, there you go. We have a pink bougainvillea flower. Shane, come, let's walk around. So that's in bloom.
What's this? It's very nice.
Yes, that's an orange flower. And I remember you saying something about that, Nazia.
Oh, you can stuck it, the honey inside it.
There's honey inside it.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's sweet, I think.
My
if you
friends and me used to suck it.
Right. Okay. And Shane, do you know what this plant is here?
It's a red Arlia.
Aralia tree, yes. Again, you get aralia trees that have white flowers blooming and red flowers that bloom. It's called frangipani as well in English.
What's this? It looks like it's growing on something else.
It's a creeper. I'm not sure.
මේක ඇතුලේ කිරි තියෙනවනේ.
Kiri තියනවාද?
කිරි වගේ there's something white when we play.
Oh, right. So that's the juice of the plant. But you all shouldn't, children, you should never eat anything in the garden without asking your mother. Most of the plants are not edible. Edible meaning they cannot be eaten. They are only there to look at and admire.
What about the tiger lily?
That's it.
Tiger lily.
Tiger lily. Children, do you remember seeing this?
Yeah.
Yeah. And look at the tiger lily. It's got all the parts of the flower. Naz, can you show me the corolla? Corolla is the stem, the leaf,
petals.
the petals, and the stamen, and the pistils, and the calyx. We'll talk about that another day. Today we're just having a look at the plants.
What pretty white leaves it has.
Yeah, look at that.
And small
It's-
orange flowers on the top.
Yes,
Some.
that's a beautiful tree with white flowers. Yes, and I'm going to just go up over there. That's another tall kohomba tree.
Wow.
Yes.
There's some other orange flowers here. They seem a little bit white
Yeah.
and soft.
Yeah, it's I don't know the name of that. It's just a nice pretty plant, isn't it?
It's kind of prickly.
Yes. Oh, and here this plant. This one.
What's that?
This is a henna plant. People use this plant to color their hair. It's a good thing for the hair, good product for the hair. Henna. And if you have gray hair, you can make your hair black again. And it's really good for your hair. Okay. Now I'm going to turn the camera up to see our large mango tree.
That's a very, very big mango tree.
Yeah. Someone told me that this is the largest mango tree that he has ever seen. The person who climbed it up to pluck the fruit. So shall we go out and show the children how large the trunk is? If you can just put your hands right across the trunk and hug it to show how
Try and reach my other hand.
yes, try. Whoa, you can, okay, but that's how large it is. So can you imagine how deep the roots run?
It must be underneath it. That's why it's called a crack.
Yes, look at that again. Wow. There are so many birds that live up that tree. I have seen
Do owls
parrots, owls, parakeets, bulbuls, loads of squirrels because my balcony is up there. That's my room there. And I have a good view of this tree from my room.
The leaves fall onto your balcony.
Yes. Okay, now let's go back in again. So let's just tell the children they must be missing entering school from here every morning, walking through the gates, isn't it? So there's our cycle track.
What's this for?
That's an orchid plant, yes. That has to grow in the shade, yes. It hasn't got any flowers now.
It's kind of like bamboo.
Yes. Now let's go. There's my office. No one's in there. And here we have our Shane මොන ගහක්ද ඒක? ඇම්බරැල්ලා. ඇම්බරැල්ලා කන්න ආසද? ඔව්. දැක්කද මේ පොඩි ඇම්බරැල්ලා ගෙඩි? හැදෙනවා මෙතන.
ගොඩාක් ඇදෙනවා.
Oh, ගොඩාක් හැදෙනවා. So we can soon eat some ambarella. Who likes to eat ambarella acharu? And here are the ambarella flowers. They will turn into to little fruits. So we'll have lots of fruits. Yes, there Shane identified a little bee or a insect that's drinking some nectar from the flowers. It's a bee. Okay. And here is another very, very important plant. This is, does anybody know what this plant is?
It's an aloe vera plant.
Aloe vera, yes. Aloe vera is also a medicinal plant. It is also edible. People make aloe vera juice and drink. I put aloe vera into a fruit juice because it's really, really healthy. And you can also use it for your beauty treatment, like for your face and your body as a moisturizer. Also, you can use it if you have මොනාට දෙක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් ෂේන්? තුවාල. Oh, තුවාල වලට දාන්න පුළුවන්. Yes, very good. So if you're somewhere and you don't have any medicine, you can always use some aloe vera and heal your wound. Okay. Now what shall we do? Is that it for today? Maybe otherwise the video is getting too long. Okay, I think we'll say bye to the children.
Bye.
See you tomorrow, children. Bye.